operation of this starting gate. There is a door on the back of the plastic bubble. The plastic bubble is a Lexan clear bubble so that it does not leak, and you have perfect 360 vision, nothing to block your vision. The unit, you have a PA right here that's handy. This switch, which is very easy for you to grab, is the on-off of the PA box. The reason I have that set there is that when I close these wings, I put my hand on the switch and drag my little finger over that switch so that as I close the wings, I shut the PA off. There's nothing said over the PA when you're closing. The next switch is our recall switch, which activates the recall lights. They are right here, right for the operator's hand, so it's very easy for him to grab. And then this button is the emergency close in the event you need that. The accelerator is, we have designed a very functional accelerator that is very smooth, very easy to operate, because all of these new trucks, which this is a 2017 truck, are accelerate by wire. So we had to redesign the accelerator, and this accelerator is, your starter will love it because it is so soft and so easy and so responsive that I believe it's the best accelerator on the market. Obviously a reading light. We have a second seat for a passenger and or an associate judge. The seats are very easy to adjust in height for different sized people. Just a very good user entity. Obviously a clip for your program. I use these, I start 4,000 starts a year. I use these items. I have tried to make these so they are comfortable for the starter, and everything is very easy to get to and very manageable for the starter when he is using it.